In this video, I'm going to show you how to check website response codes in bulk. As an example, we will be checking the response codes of several newspaper websites. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To export the response codes, we'll use the response code bulk checker. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the response code bulk checker. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more links. Select notification type: email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted website response codes to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've extracted the response codes of 3 newspaper websites. We can see that they are up and running. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the response code bulk checker and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.